What's up, folks? So I'm just coming off of home time, and basically we got a load, so I'm on my way to my trailer. No student right now. I got a student that I gotta go pick up, so I'm gonna go pick up our trailer. Got a load to go pick up first, and then we'll go pick up our student. So I'm just gonna give you guys the highlights of like basically coming from home time, picking up your loads and picking up a student. So I'll do the whole process of picking up a student and everything. New student, he doesn't know anything. He got his license. I spoke with him briefly, so we'll see how this goes with him, because every student has different personalities, right? So this series is all about training your student, how to train students, or what my company calls them mentees. I'm the mentor and the mentees. I call them students because to me they're still learning. They're rookies. They want to learn the business. They want to learn the profession of becoming a professional driver, basically. So that's what we're gonna do. We'll do this. This is just the intro to it. Picking up a student. Well, first of all, coming back from home time. I was home for 3 days, and well, 4 days really. And getting back on the road again. Usually, when you're coming back from home time, you're kind of more tired. You get fatigued a lot quicker, but I wasn't home for a long period of time, and I'm starting off fresh. It's not like I've been up for 10 hours or anything like that. I got up at 7. Right now it's 9:36, so I've been up about 2 hours. Had to get my stuff ready, get everything ready to go. So got everything back in the truck. Some things that I took out. So we'll go from there. So as we approach, I got probably another 3 to 4 miles before I get to where my trailer is at. I can't fit my truck and trailer where I live at. So I have to drop my trailer off in a spot that I know it's where it's safe. It's not loaded or anything. It's an empty trailer. So I do have a place that I drop my trailer at. It's not a gated community or anything like that, or a gated place where I can drop it. So I only drop my empty trailers there. I never put a loaded trailer in this location. I don't know if other people do, because there's other people who park there. I doubt it. I doubt people who drop a loaded trailer there. It's just a little parking spot that we have. But we'll be there in about 5 minutes. I think I'll cut off the recording until I get there, just to preserve on some battery. All right, till next time.